Past tense, I'm sure Katja, tell me about your day. Use the sentences below when asked questions like Cod, Kier de rinne tú, Conna sa bhí de lá, Cod a Harla, Ein scéal nua, Ein rud eile, Inis dom faoi de lá. Make sure you're doing the actions and then you say the sentence. It's the only chance you have of remembering them. Your challenge is to be able to say any 10 of the below sentences together. Each sentence is worth 10%, so 10 out of 10 equals 100%. Ushig me huktatlug. I woke up at 8 o'clock. Duskal me mahulia. I opened my eyes. Dairig me asan laba. I got out of the bed. Quer me ediarum. Put my clothes on me. Shangal me marvroga. I tied my shoes. Nig me aig agus malava. I washed my face and my hands. Hrimig me fein. I dried myself. Hor me magruig. I combed my hair. Cuig me godian kishten. I went to the kitchen. Hig me eg an mord. I sat at the table. Dit me marvik fosta. I ate my breakfast. Dol me tea. I drank tea. Deisht me leshen radio. I listened to the radio. For me wall scullia. I got my school bag. Dog me an tiach. I left the house. Ruhig me skull. I cycled to school. Prish me an skull egani. I reached school at 9. Vul me la macharja. I met with my friends. Hula me an clug. I heard the bell. Hul me is jock sarong. I walked into the class. Dort me fodrika. I said my prayers. Screeve me hoplauer. I wrote in my copy. Deach me an clarbon. I looked at the whiteboard. Dimmer me pel eg amloan. I played football at break time. Dil me an rong on shin. I returned to the class after that. Hog me piaun amok. I took out a pen. Honing me walya eg a tree. I came home at 3. Rinne me mubber walya. I did my homework. Chaurig me la mahar sagardin. I helped my dad in the garden. Rug me mar chlot iskaracht. I grabbed my fishing rod. Dimig me kun iskaracht. I left to fish. Chunig me aliacht an dulra. I saw the beauty of nature. Hug me biad an vadra. I gave food to the dog. Deach me an telefish. I looked at the TV. Leg me malaur nua. I read my new book. Be torsha orm. I was tired. Huddle me sov. I slept soundly. Some things to note. The moch creates a H. Moch hulia. Asan out of the. Mo 80. We drop the O in mo because you can't have two vowels touching, so it's maidi. The moch creates the H in marvoga. You can't have two vowels touching here, so it's maig, my face. We drop the O in mo. The moch creates the H in magruig. The H is also known as a shevu. Whenever we use chuig me, which means I went, we nearly always use godi to the. Godi on to the. Egg on mord at the. Mo creates a H in malvrik fosta. Whenever we use the verb eisht, or in this case deisht, we often have lesh with it. Deisht me leshen radio. The moch creates the H in mo wall scullia. Vul me le macarja. I met with my friends. If the let wasn't there and you said vul me macarja, that would mean I hit my friends. The moch creates the H or the shevu in charja. Mo fodrika. The moch creates the shevu, which is the H. Mo hoplauer creates a H. On clarbon. When we have on, we put in an aru, in this case G, before C. Riname mubber walya. We drop the O in mo because we can't have two vowels touching, so it's mubber walya. Karime le mahar. We drop the O in mo. Whenever we use the verb rug, we often have this two-letter word along with it. Whenever we use the verb hug, we often have do, or in this case dun vadra. The dun creates the H. Whenever we have deach, we often have And note number 36, when using an emotion, there's no may, it's bhí torsha orm. You could say bhí ucras orm, bhí tart orm, but do not use the word may.